Hello, turtles. Turtles go out. Hello, turtles. Turtles go in. Bye-bye, turtles. Tiny turtles go out. Hello, tiny turtles. Where do you think the tiny turtles will go? Tiny turtles go in. Bye-bye, tiny turtles.
Put the word turtle back together. T U R T L E turtle. This is the letter T. T says T. Turtle starts with T. T. Turtle. T. Turtle. Drag the letter T onto the turtle. T. 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 Tap on the letter T every time you see it. T. 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 These things all start with the letter T. Tap on the things that start with the letter T. Turtle. Tiger. Table. Tent. Say turtle. Say table. Say toasted. Which letter does table start with? T. Which of these things starts with T? Toasted. Tape. Which of these letters says T? T. Drag each thing onto the letter that it starts with. Tiger. Mouse. Axe. Listen to the sound of each letter. Ah, T. Now, listen to the sounds together. Mat. Listen to the sound of each letter. Ah, T. Now, listen to the sounds together. At. Which letter do you need to make the word at? T. At. Which letter do you need to make the word mat? T. Mat. Which letter do you need to make the word at? At. At. Which letter do you need to make the word mat? Mat. Let's write the word mat. M. A. T. mat. Let's write the word at. A T at. This is the letter T. There are two ways to write the letter T. This is capital T, and this is lowercase t. Capital T, lowercase t.
Hello, turtles.
Tap on all the words that start with capital T. Let's learn how to write the capital letter T. The capital letter T has two parts. 1, 2. Now it's your turn. Try writing a capital T. Tap on the capital letter T every time you see it. T. 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 Drag each capital letter onto the matching lowercase letter.
Hello, turtles.
Remember this story? Let's read it again. This time, tap on all the words that start with this letter. T. Tap on the arrow to start.
Turtles go out. Hello, turtles. Turtles go in. Bye-bye, turtles. Tiny turtles go out. Hello, tiny turtles. Tiny turtles go in. Bye-bye, tiny turtles.
Which letter do you need to make the word at? T. At. Tap the word mat. Mat. Let's write the word at. A T. At. Which letter do you need to make the word mat? Mat. Read this word out loud. Let's learn the word to. Tap the sight word to. T. W. O. To.
Two monkeys.
Where's the word to? Tap the word to. To.
I see two apples.
Where's the word to? Tap the sight word to every time you see it. To. 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 Read this word out loud.
Bad morning.
Good morning, Fofo.
No. Bad morning, Miss Lucy.
Who is having a bad morning?
I had a bad dream. There were pancakes, but I couldn't eat them. I didn't have a fork. I just had a baby spoon.
Did Fofo have a big spoon?
That sounds terrible.
It was terrible. So it's not a good morning. It's a very bad morning.
Did Fofo's dream make him happy?
Fofo, breakfast is ready. See? It is a good morning.
Oh, wow! Good morning, Miss Lucy.
Is Fofo going to have pancakes for breakfast? Tap on the things that start with the letter A. Alligator. Axe. Astronaut. Apple. Tap on the capital letter A every time you see it. A. 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 Tap each thing and the letter that it starts with. Mouse. Apple. Tiger.
3 apples.
Tap on all the words that start with capital A. Drag each thing onto the letter that it starts with. Tent. Mouse. Apple. Which of these letters says T?